Today was supposed to be easy. We were just following Google Maps to a museum, but somehow it turned into one of our toughest adventures in Malta. No water, no shortcut, and no easy way back. And that is only the beginning, because waiting for us was one of the most beautiful anchorages we've seen in Malta. And after losing both our paddleboards, it was finally time to put the new ones to the test. Welcome to Sailing Prosperity. We left the freezing cold and windy Norway, and we are sharing our journey with you. Ready for jaw-dropping adventures, mind-blowing places, and a whole lot of fun from our family of 5. Whether you're here for the magic sunsets, epic challenges, or just a good laugh, we've got you covered. Hit that subscribe button and join us in this incredible journey. Let's make every second count.
Now this is a special thing to ride. 2 new stand-up paddleboard. That took us about 5 hours to get. Got the cool market over here. All the cool fishing boats. So tomorrow we will get back to the city center here, so that we can explore the Malta's most famous fishing market. That will be fun. 2 new paddleboards. I will not explain to you why.
That is a sad story. Yeah, they're coming behind us.
Oh, this looks very good. Are you happy? Good choice. Oh, look at this. Iced coffee with pistache.
The dredging, and that is absolutely necessary.
But we're pirates too, aren't we? No.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
we will stand our ground against the pirates up in the mountain.
That's the way to the cave. Yeah. The grass.
Wow, this is awesome!
Can we go?
Oh, that is a dead end.
Okay,
Can we go there? It looks like a path.
I wonder how the machine looks like.
Oh.
Ew! What if you're taking on... What if you're... Luca, what if you're taking on...
That's the rusty.
What if... Luca, what if you are touching...
What a crazy shortcut.
Or what if you're touching...
On Google, right?
Yeah.
I guess
Oh, this is a lot of bone. Oh, a reindeer.
This was not a beautiful anchoring place at all. It's not easy to film. Our other camera is away for now. But yeah, goes to a fishing farm, container port, LNG port, tugboats, energy plant, fire station. Yeah.
Yes, sir. What pleasure on pipe?
Muddy waters. So it looks like, well, it wasn't the best place to be, but the village was nice. Did a great time there. Fantastic, what do you call it? Fishing market yesterday. It was Sunday, so that was cool. And fruits and vegetables as well. And it was a great place to go around hiking. Now we are off to a much better place for us and for the kids. Very well protected in this wind. So we will put out our anchor and have some fun time again. We had fun here too. Yesterday we had a barbecue fishing feast. That was great with our buddy boat, Petite Pearl, and our Norwegian friends over there, and our German friends over there. I think we're all going to the same place. Yeah, that'll be great for the kids. Been a couple of days now without swimming, so I think they're ready to jump into the water again. Now we are talking. Look at this amazing bay that we are anchoring in. It's blowing 20 knots out in the ocean today. We came in a couple of hours ago. Offland wind, so the swells will die out and we can stay in this fantastic anchoring place. Best of all, Viktoria is put to work. A little bit problem with the motivation, but I think she's doing a good job. Right? Smiling too. Even though she doesn't want to smile, she's smiling because she can see how clean it gets. That's good, Viktoria. Good job. And by a mistake, I told our friends over at Little Petite that Viktoria was going to clean the windows. So Neda said, "Alright, I'll have to get my kids to do that too." So now they're cleaning windows on that boat too. A little positive influence. Is everything alright?
Kan du öppna den?
The boat is full of sand after some rain last night. But yeah, that's how it is. We need to clean the rest of the windows too. 3 days ago I cleaned the solar panels and nobody can see it. Full of sand. Let's do it again.
Huh?
The solar panels are full of sand again.
Oh.
Karoline has been swimming.
Oh, that is pretty hard.
Look at the water. When the wind dies down, I will get the drone up.
Ew.
Lila is wet, she's been swimming too. Life on anchor. Oh yeah, you got a job to do there. Great. She does get paid, so I don't know why she's not happy about it.
Next time, if I have normal water, I'm gonna take it on you.
No, no.
Oh yes. I actually have a toy that has that.
I should run. Can you see the car?
I'm so sitting there.
Where,
So going to wave to them.
where is the car? I can't see the car. We are in the open water. I'm just anchoring here. I can hear a car. Can you see it? What? It even looks like a car.
No.
That is a strange car. It is 6 in the morning. I've been up for half an hour, taking down the grill, and we needed to use the generator yesterday, so that's inside the locker. This is what we woke up to. Most of the boats have already left because, yeah, this is not fun to wake up to. And yeah, I got the paddle oars in, so that's good. That's the beginning. A good reminder that we shouldn't have too many toys out during the night. Now I need to get a paddleboard on board, make the boat ready so that we can get out of there, because this is just a little bit too much. It's only going to last today, but I don't think anyone is ready to be in this for a whole day. But Lila is doing fine. Yeah? Yeah. You are. Good dog. Look at this. It's bouncy. Alright. Paddleboards are up on the rack. Lila is still enjoying the nice breeze. keep cars also considering their options now. Our Norwegian buddy boat has already left. They are picking up a technician later today, so they had to go to the closest village. But yeah, the hope is that we can just move to the other side of that tunnel over there. No, it looks more protected there. It is built in a different way, so it might be nice. I know there is another catamaran inside there now, so that means that we don't have to be out having these waves in the beam. That would be a bit annoying. And then we have to go back to Maraxlo or something like that. Yeah. Very different to pronounce the names here in Malta. Such a beautiful place when the wind is going in the other direction, but not now. It's a bit bouncy. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.